I think you know this command, right? Automatically it will come here. Whatever the database you want, use master. Press F5. We will enter into our database. Yeah, I have 3 tables, right? 3 rows in this table. Let me come to EMP or EMP1 because I don't know which for which I have given link. Yeah, this particular what I'm trying to explain you is we have DNO DNAME location, right? Yeah, this numbers whatever I'm having here, I'll connect to this drop down list. Okay, and like again they have started okay, you are able to hear my voice, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
it's clear.
So based on these columns I'll filter with single row wise, okay, and I'll add to the grid control. So the code where we have struck on the days not at all difference with post back, because we thought like this is the issue. No, the thing is for this data bind of method DNO field we are having a direct defilter. Like here I can directly fill with DS1. I don't know, like in 2015 it's accepting in a single line. 13 if I am writing that code it was working. Okay, first what I did here, I have written a connection object. This is common to both page load and this thing. So let's see, let me delete that code in that. I'm deleting the which is given. So here you already know, right? I'm making it as a connectionless architecture laid with data field. See here ma, data source I'm taking only DNO, okay, into which object D1. So here into dataset whatever I'm having in data adapter I'm filling it into DS1. What is this? Connectionless architecture, right? Until and unless it will fill into dataset here, then the connection will be closed. That is the advantage of connectionless architecture. Okay, after that I need data. I don't want this column, right? I want I don't want this. I want the value which is assigned for this, right? The columns, the values which are assigned for this. Okay, so what I have done is here what are the values. So data text field means the value which is assigned for this will be assigned to these values. You just execute this. Okay, select 2. Okay, put one breakpoint here and check it out. Nothing, instead of passing the whole thing, this is next whatever I have shown you is you can pass here the whole thing, the whole thing you can pass here. Instead of doing that, what I have just taken one string query. Whatever I'm passing, I'm just passing here. What is the difference between? So now press F5, C3, come here, EMP. What are the tables we have? Just compare. Each postback property, whatever I was explaining you on that day, it's correct. The thing, what was that here, this two lines we have stuck because 2013 was supporting directly. I can write the DS field instead of binding, but it was not supporting here, so I have written in two lines of code. Only that is the difference. Each postback means it returns true and false. False means true. By default, it will be true. False means what? Hello?
Yes, it will take
By
you
default, yeah. If you are doing any transaction, then it should be false. Or else you can write in n, if it is not equal to, you can make it as here also instead of false.
Okay.
Okay, like that. If it is always true means make it as false and make it as this becomes. Like that also we can write the code. Okay, and we'll see what was the thing we were writing. Yeah. Okay, now it was in employee number 1, right? So let me execute with write.xml. It will come here. Okay, 2 and 3 like that. Okay, it's not refreshing. Okay, this is, and one more thing, edit we have, right? Any doubts here in this thing?
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Is it fine, right? You tried with communication. The thing what earlier application is, I have deleted one table. I thought the primary key, foreign key, it got not established properly. Later I came to know. Because why the program is not executing means it was not established properly, primary key.
But I did establish correctly. So.
But still, you try, because you try with this code, it will execute.
Okay.
I made it very simple when compared to that code. You try with this. What was the table EEPT and EMPY? Refresh. Like that, first what we will do is in the real time, whatever the table structure, you will get a very big table structure. For us, what they will give you is, even we will establish connectivity from which table to which table in the, while our architect level only we will get, first we will design this table and we'll prepare this chart. Based on this diagram, it will be clear for us from where to where the connection is there. Because here for you it's showing only 2 tables. In our real time it will get 10 to 30, 40 tables, and from which table to which table it is linking, everything will be clearly mentioned here. Based on this we'll take one print out this. Based on this we'll develop in the real time. This will be really useful for us.
Okay.
Architecture. Yeah. Okay. And grid edit I haven't shown you, right? Default.aspx. This is simple. I have created one table here, like my own method, fill grid. This is SEMA. What I'm trying to explain you is, with the help of OLEDB command means what? This is connection oriented, right? If I'm using command. So after that, once my tables are filling into me department, either you take anything, I'm trying to edit the data. So I need command object, right? Adapter means I can retrieve. While again making any changes, you need to fill the data. So here, which table? DEPT, right? Query or come to here. EPT. Yeah. this table is there with 4 fields, right? Let me fill with some other values here. Five, what must sales, clothing. Pune, Chennai, Bangalore, China. Electronics, groceries. Okay, now I have written a code to edit only D name. You try with log everything, because this I can't edit, right? Primary key constraint. Only the thing I have written a code for this. You try for location also. Nothing. What I have taken is, I have taken one grid view, and properties, whatever I have set here is enable delete button equal to true, which was false. Enable edit button equal to true, which was false. And one more thing, already I have said, right? Edit index. If you are editing, it has only two things, -1 and 0. If you are editing, it should be -1 if you are doing any such kind of transaction. And one more property we need to set here is data key names. That primary key, yes, this one. But whatever the primary key column of your table, DNO, we should mention as a property for that particular grid view. Okay, after that, I have taken my own method, because if I'm not writing whatever the code you are writing, it should write all these 4 lines wherever you are using. So instead of that, I have written a code. This is the way how you can write your own method. I was trying to explain you long back only. What I'm trying, first of all, I am getting fill that data into grid view with what are the properties I have set, edit delete option. So execute this. Okay, so what I can do is, first let me edit data. It has come into grid view control row editing. So again it will go to F10. After coming F10, this is a method, right? So press F11 now. So it will enter into the, it will go to direct method. If you turn, breakpoint, right? Put a breakpoint F9, F10. If it is a function kind of thing, from there, if you know it to skip, press F11. If it is a normal single line, same F10. So as of now, my data has been filled in editing mode. I'm executing F5. So here I'm getting test. If you want to cancel, cancel. It won't be edited. Again, if you want to edit, update. So F10, dname whatever you have given is string as of now. DNO is 8, yes, correct only. Command text with here, it has been updated to what we have given is test. Existing will be added. Now connection has been opened. Crockery test. Okay, come here. Earlier it was crockery, right? Now press execute crockery test. Okay.
Okay.
Oh, I want to show delete also, right? Wait. Put one breakpoint in delete. Here. As of now, 8 records, right? I'll delete this file. 8 records. Let me come here. Click on delete. 8, right? Whatever I have selected is 8. After connection opening, see my query is going delete up to where? F10, F5. Department deleted. Come to here. Okay. What you do is, I have written only code for which one, ma? Can you explain this line? Otherwise, I'll explain. You just have a glance on that. You got any point there?
Bridge rows from.
I'm editing only D and D name because DNO I can't edit. D name I'm editing with the help of DNO. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
So what I'm expecting you is okay, so every index starts from where? Pranita?
Yes. Number
Every
from.
0, right? 0 is means here what? DNO. Every array starts from 0 because this will be stored in the format of arrays, right? Tables.
Yes.
1 means, only 1 means what? What I'm editing?
0.
What I'm editing? D name, right? Right?
Yes.
This, only this I'm able to edit. Now what you want to do is, if I want to edit at the runtime, which one? Location also, what you need to do here? What you need to here? 2. Okay. Add one more line. If you want to edit both, I'm showing you only dname edit. You try with both the things.
Okay.
Okay. Add one more line. Dname. Pass int off. This is I am showing you for this, and you
This
add
is
for
for
this.
deleting.
Editing. Sorry, editing.
You are showing in
Here.
deleting.
Yeah, here. Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Have you gone through any ASP.NET Base example, or you want me to give?
No.
Okay, fine. Because I'll give whatever I have shown you the output, pre-init, init, all those things. You can get it out. SQL Manage Studio.
And one more thing, we have seen the link to SQL yesterday, right? You said
You got that?
we can do the edit and delete also in the same way, but I didn't see the update option there.
You want me to explain that also?
Yeah, if you show me that, then I can do that on my own.
Pardon? You want me to show? I
If
have
you
shown you
show me that
insert, right?
option, yes.
Insert and retrieving I have shown you. Edit and delete you want in that also.
Yes.
I can show you. Tomorrow can we have a class?
Yes. Sure.
Or because for me it's Diwali, ma. That's what I was thinking. But tomorrow if I can plan morning hours, right? 7:30 like that. If I can plan a class for you, I can take not more than like not like 2 days back 3 hours. I can take only half.
Yeah, if you want to skip the class, that's fine.
Because nothing left for you like web services deployment. I have checked with I have kept mail for them. Why Microsoft MSD and people? Because I have checked in 2010 also. The templates has been all not able to view.
Okay.
Hmm. If I that's what because already installed versions also I'm not able to because just before like in this is November, right? October or August, September last week I have given training for in my company for 100 people and I was able to show that template deployment I have shown.
Oh, okay.
Now I'm not able and I have upgraded recently to 2015 before your class starts. But in their system also I have checked not able to view the template. Let me go ahead and let me check it once again to show you that. Or else it's not mandatory deployment anyway. We won't do the guys. It's not a big
Oh,
deal. It's not a big deal. And anything you want me from my end? Because you link your concept. Yes, I'll explain you that. And webport also on that day it was not executing. I can show you. Let me come with one more example for you.
reports, yes.
Webports, yes.
And also we missed some little topics.
I have noted down I think.
Yes. I'll send you the list.
Yeah, you just send him before going to tomorrow's class. I'll cover with this if possible ASP.NET page lifecycle example and link you edit kind of thing.
Okay.
Link to XML I have given you, right? Only edit and delete I'll show you in link. And one more thing you asked, ma'am. TMP number control. State mode already this I have explained you. Have you gone through my recording again? You want me to? Let me go once again. View state is done. Application view pool is also I have gone through that. In proc is also the same procedure. All these things comes under this only. Let me have a session on that. Windows application I can give you, but I don't know what settings I have. Let me check it out. Windows Server, because whatever you have, if I'll show you, it should register here under inet mgr. If it is having access to default document. Actually, I thought to take today morning 7:30. I have stuck in traffic today. So again, I kept mail message to that guy, please join. It will be late for me to reach office.
Oh,
and I have some issue with my Skype, so that guy asked me to log in before 8 today.
Okay.
That's fine. And tomorrow's class, you just come with some things. And when you are starting your job search?
I'm going to take some time. I need to go through all this stuff. I'm not good at theory part either. So.
Theory part, if you want me to explain more, like any topics you require, just mail to that guy. He'll forward me so that I can discuss tomorrow.
Okay.
What kind of theory
okay.
part you require? Because if whatever I am explaining, if you just go through, it will be enough for you.
Yeah.
Because real time experience I am giving you, like what we will do, because we will do interviews, right?
Yes.
What type of stuff will do? Whatever the thing you just try from your end, or else I'll give you.
Okay.
Link you edit, and tomorrow we'll cover all those things. Before,
Can
like today,
you show me that option? I will try that.
what option? Which
Update
one?
option. I can see that update option in link to SQL.
That one only update I have said, right? Submit there, you'll have update. Let me explain you with one
Yeah.
example tomorrow. Same
Okay.
example. I'll continue with one more page like that. Edit and delete.
Okay.
It will be easy for you.
Okay.
It will be, yeah. What tomorrow, by the time what you do is you update this one, dname, and
Okay.
you update that location also. Same one more query you need to add here. That's it.
Okay.
Comma here with query. Same whatever you are mentioning. You need to add d location one property here string. Okay. Add one more property. One more line. That's it. Okay. By the time tomorrow you just come with this. And you're practicing parallelly.
Yes, I'm.
That is fine. And please make sure of this theory whatever is being. I'm not getting web services template into that. For that also I was shocked. Deployment is different. I need to get at least services. Even I have checked in my personal laptop here with class make also. We need to get web service template here. You check in your system, is it there? Open website.
Okay.
If you have any web service tomorrow, I can give you the example on that also. Open new website, check whether.
It is saying your trial has expired. Visual Studio.
No, maybe you are using trial version. Mine is licensed version, right? Because I'm explaining in my company laptop.
But
What it is saying, trial version. You try today. If you are able to install web services, I can give you example on that. You're getting what it's saying, ma? Can you just send me the screenshot here in GoToMeeting chat window?
okay.
Hmm.
Saying license 30-day trial and the license has expired.
But earlier it was not there. I don't know what Microsoft people are doing, because that should be there. And use post web property also we are missing. You got, Pranita?
Sorry?
You got that?
Yes, yes.
And you check in this way also, ma. Go to project and also check that one. You are able to view anything. I have tried in this way also, because no, I have checked in my other team members also. Even they were. I need a web service template here so that I can explain. That remoting do with multiple clients, 2, 3, 4. It will be easy for you. For interviews, more concentration on OOPS concept. Whatever I have given, abstract, all those things. Be prepared on thread concept, database connection oriented. I'll give you delegates, they'll ask get set properties. Are you getting? Are you able to view in your laptop?
Yes, yes. No, it is.
I have tried in low versions also. No.
I'm sending you the mail.
What, ma?
I'm sending you the mail.
Sure, you send. One more thing I'll explain you in my thing. View model architecture, that is also important, ma. MVM model, view model, MWM model, you know it, right? Different layers. Pranita? Hello?
Hello, yes, I'm sending Ganesh mail. The
Okay.
screenshot.
He'll forward me, it's not a big problem. And please send him a list what you need more kind of thing to by tomorrow's class, so that I can prepare and I can come to clear you.
Yeah, I sent it.
Please start the things immediately, ma, because why you're making late? Practicing means that never ends. Why don't you attend 2 or 3 interviews? You will come to know what they're asking.
Yeah.
For any mediator is handling interview process for you.
No.
You need to attend. Better you need to attend, because the thing, if you have any questions, you can mail to it after attending interviews also.
Yeah, I
If you
want
have
to
any
do.
doubts, yes, if you have any doubts, you can send mail to Ganesh, he'll forward me.
Okay, thank you.
Because that is important. I don't know what kind of interviews. Are you going for service oriented or product based? We don't know, right, in the real time.
Okay.
Just send. Or else, if you want, you can take my direct Gmail ID also directly. You can rupa83@gmail.com. You can post me also.
Can you type the? Can you type
I have
the?
given, right? You are able to view, right? No, huh?
No.
Now you are able to view. Please take my mail ID.
I'll try that one. And
Yeah,
I'll.
because in my personal laptop also I haven't installed Oracle. It takes some much space, right?
Yeah. Okay.
When compared to SQL Server, it takes more space to occupy, and system will come down. Flow. One is better. Whatever you are using SQL Server. Please do attend, if possible, at least 1 or 2 interviews in these 10 days. Just have a, you'll have an experience, right? It's long back, I think.
I'll try to.
After attending 1 or 2 interviews, please mail your queries to my mail ID. I'll respond.
Okay.
Make a list of the things for tomorrow. He'll send me, or else you can CC it to Ganesh and mail me also. I have given my mail ID, right?
Yes, yes. I'll send you now.
Yeah, tomorrow I'll cover all those things.
Okay.
Any queries?
No.
Whatever I have given is enough for your sessions. Just go through them.
Okay. So we don't need any VB.NET syntax here.
VB.NET is not required, I think. If you want, I can show you.
We only work with C# or VB.NET?
C# only. C#. Oh. I have open Windows application, right? That syntax is different, ma'am. Coding is different. It's not because we cover with one technology. UI is all the thing. Here we see extension is VB. For that we'll get CS, right? C#.
Yes.
Come to toolbox. Place one button. Output everything is, this will be different. See, like this. VB.NET. So dim I as int, like that. The syntax is different. I16. Yeah. Same. Message box dot show I dot toString. Dim as I, like that. I dot toString. Same.
It's not mandatory, right? I mean, no.
What, ma? And it is not case sensitive, sorry. Every statement should not be terminated with semicolon here in VB.
Oh, okay.
You assign some value I equal to some 10 or like that as int. Okay. Why it's end of statement expected. Standard. If I'm assigning some value.
So knowing VB.NET syntax is not mandatory, right?
Not mandatory. That's what not at all required. You simply say that I worked on C# completely. Why to take extra thing? Again, they will ask input more thing from you. And most of the projects we are handling with C# only, not with VB.
Okay. And we didn't see the JavaScript, right?
JavaScript, yes. JavaScript examples I'll give you tomorrow. How to attach, I will give you. Yes. I have make a note, yes. JavaScript. How to, what we'll do is some logic. I have explained you in themes and concept. Let me come back because I need to add some new concept here. Stop label. Ajax also I'll try because nowadays Ajax also nowhere used. But JavaScript is used. I'll give you examples on this tomorrow.
Okay.
We need to add one class file here. That's it. Solution Explorer. We need to add one class file here. Add new JavaScript file. That logic we need to extract here. I'll show you tomorrow with 1 or 2 examples.
And whatever we do with forms application, and we can do with console applications also, right?
What was your question? Is there any difference with console and Windows?
Yeah.
Console, no use, to be frank. Whatever the remote session examples I have given, I can put you one button control, I can show you. But in training, I need to cover everything, right? So parallel not that much important applications I have explained you in console. Recently I have given some dotted remoting application, right, that I have shown you in console.
Yes, yes.
Nowadays nowhere console is very rare now, because everything has become user friendly now, touch and screen like that.
We
Because
can
C,
do
C++,
the same things in console and web forms only.
yes, web forms, Windows. Web console key means what you need to do. If you are, I have given you some example on remoting, right? If you want to do that same means response.write, some those kind of things will differ. If you're going for Windows also message box.show, console.readline. Syntaxes, other syntaxes, logic will be same. And one more thing, if you're going to website, find new website. I'm taking this website with Visual C hash. If you want with VB backend code, we need to select with VB. Okay, that's it. VB.NET coding will come here. Web form. When you come to here, view, toolbox, standard, place and button control. MSG box again has gone to C hash. I need VB.NET. Let me add one more new version. Add MSG BOX, I think here. Visual sorry, VB. Okay. I have added one page. Website, add new item, visual piece, if you need to add web form. MSG BOX was there, but whatever I have explained, we are getting message box, right? Maybe they have come up with message box dot show, view, toolbox. MSG BOX we should get here. Yes, this is the thing. Message box dot show. Message box dot show should get. Welcome. Like this. F5 right click, default to, right? Okay, go to Solution Explorer. Set as start page. Which page you want to execute first? Right click on that particular page. Set as start page. In the real time we'll do, because we'll be adding multiple lines, right?
Okay. Yes.
Right click on that. We'll get that page output first. Click here. Welcome. Syntax is different. Don't get confused. No need of taking care of any VB.NET stuff now, because that is nowhere used. Which is used, concentrate on those concepts. Better you go 1 or 2 interviews. Then you will come with doubts. I have given my mail ID. You can send me your queries. I will respond to that.
Okay.
Page life cycle in real time we never write, because I have crossed across 8 to 10 years. Very rare, because page load, event rendering. But I'll give you the example. You should, but in interviews they'll ask me what are properties, what are different events, what it will do, what brain it will do, which event will load first, like that. Only for interview purpose that stuff is important.
We saw one example yesterday, right? But just the methods, all the page one.
Yeah, I'll show you tomorrow. Simple, same pre-init like that. We'll get the output, some message kind of thing. That's it.
Okay.
Mm. You try with that one simple example, or else I'll show you from my end. I am saying ASP.NET page lives. I'll try to give some simple example.
But I don't know my Visual Studio. Will open or not.
That's what. I'll give you one simple example. It's not a big problem, and I'll explain you. The thing is, the way how you'll explain which event will first occur, that is important.
Okay.
First pre-init, first preload, after that load, middle it comes page load, which we are using regularly, page load event.
Yeah, I tried that example that you have given yesterday.
Internally putting breakpoints and showing output, that's it. It doesn't get much difference in UI, any functional wise. Okay, tomorrow can we plan the session at 8 o'clock? 8 to 9? Half an hour. It will be late for you, or 7:30 is fine?
Yeah, anytime is fine. It will be fine.
7:30 is also fine, ma. 7:30 to 8:30 I can close the session.
Okay. Anytime is fine for me.
Okay, I think Ganesh is there in chat. We'll close the session today.
Hmm.
Come up with your any kind of things what you are getting.
Okay.
And mail to me so that I can come up with those. Tomorrow I'll go with LinkU and JavaScript and one simple example on this page lifecycle. Okay.